my name is Kaleido.I and today is thinK Day, where we're gonna talk about anything. So today I decided to talk about secret stationaries, surprise, and how to make a kaleidoscope. And the how to make the kaleidoscope is from Green Party, and so is this. So to start off our video, we're going to start with this one. There is this recyclable toilet paper, cardboard, and paper. Ooh! Look at this. Looks shiny. Do you know what is this? Well, this is a reflecting mirror cut. And this, ooh, decorations. Shiny. And that's all. Okay. The other things that you need are double-sided tape, scissors, and more tape. Use your double-sided tape. Take your scissors. Put this here so that you can tape it. Put it all the way to the side. And then take your scissors and cut. And you must put it all the way to the side, as you can see the line, and so as the other side. Then look at it properly and then pick it up. So make sure this is in line, and then take the other one out. So make sure it's in line and then just put it on like that. And you have a nice cardboard design. The next step is take your reflect card and there's 3 inside. Yeah. See? So this side is the mirror part, this side is not. So you have to put them this way on the table. So you take the tape, take this tape, and then just put it in the middle here. Not the reflective part, but the back of it. Now you just do for the same to the other. So you tape for both of the sides, as you can see. So after this, put the other side, and you must take out the protection sheet. That's why it looks very blurred. Continue removing the rest. I just have the middle part. And look, there you have it. Don't say. Like that. And shiny. Okay, now you have to fold it in a triangle. But the mirror must face inside, not outside. So fold into a triangle and use the tape to tape it. Make sure it's a triangle, then you can tape. Okay, let's see. I got it. Yes. Okay, next side. Okay. I have. Yay! Okay. Now take this and put it in here, okay? Now just push it in. Yeah, I got it! Whoa. Take your decorations, take it out. Now, take these two. Take this one and your decoration. I'm scared it will spill out. Okay. Now pull all of it out. My last star. Ooh, look at it. Okay. Now take this one. That's also the covering here. I got it. So clear. Now cover. Now just slide it all the way down. Take this and just cover. So we must use tape because so that we can make this hole in place. Like that. Now take this one and just put it on like that. Then now cut it. And then just put it around to hold this in place. And then just keep rolling. Okay. Like that. Now, time to see. Ooh. Let me show you how it looks inside. Now, we're gonna do this. The surprise stationery from Green Party. So that is what we have for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, bye guys!